It's time to cruise. Book your boat rate
So
today.
guys, tagal ko nang pinaplano to. Ngayon try ko. Medyo ano oras natin. Tsura na po. So yun, try ko lang. Matagal ko nang pinaplano to eh. Yung boat ride na to sa Manila Bay. Manila Bay? Sa may MOA. So waiting tayo. Tsura. First time kong gagawin. Gusto ka dito lang ako. Saan ba na nagkakaw? Dagkit. Ako lang mag-isa dito. Lahat sila may makasama.
Maybe this is where our story ends. Or maybe where it starts. So now I'm happy with this moment. Then again, the world disappeared around us. And somehow every little scar still shines like a star. Maybe nothing lasts forever, but some moments last forever in our hearts. We're fading into gold. Memory we hold. Even if we're thirst, always dancing in the we're fading into gold. Every memory we hold, every promise sounded sweet.